Okay, so you've seen those commercials for those so-called extended warranty coverage shields that you have to pay for, and then if you don't read the small print, you find out it doesn't cover exactly what you thought it did, and now those repairs are sucking money out of your pocket like hungry vampire bats at dinner time.
Hashtag.
That coverage shield might not be exactly what it claims to be, no matter what an actor/rapper/turned celebrity frontman might say. Maybe you drive something with about 50,000 miles in good condition with an expiring factory warranty, and you find out one of those warranty ice-cold shields cost around $125 a month on top of your car payment!
Sorry for the screaming, but I hate bats.
That's an extra $1,500 a year. Over 10 years, that could be as much as $15,000. Just for the extended warranty.
If they'll actually cover you.
So save your money because the Sunset Auto family's warranty protection for life is included with every qualifying new or used vehicle, and it costs you nothing, not a penny.
It's a Sunset exclusive.
You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.